Hey, it's Rita. I'm here for the second Thriftmas in July. If you saw me in these same clothes last Sunday, it's because I'm batch filming, so I really do change clothes. So let's get right to it. I'll show you what I got this week. Okay, so Goodwill once again, and I believe I might have showed you this in one of my hauls, but it is a very nice tablecloth. It's called Christmas Village. I believe I did pay $3 for it. If not, it was $1.50, so either one. But this is a 60 by 104 inch oval, but I will make it work even though my table's square. And on the back is what it should look like. It looks like it's brand new, never been out of the package. It's 100% cotton and made by WC Designs. And that's really about all I can tell you about it. Machine wash, cold, do not bleach, or tumble dry low. Okay, so that's my first item. Found this. I love it. Can put flowers, Christmas decor in here. I do love the color. I don't even know that I will change this. Let me know in the comments what you guys would do. Would you change it or would you leave it like this? And I do know that I did get this one for half off. So I paid $1.50 for it. Very, very cute. It's in pretty good condition. Seems to be a few little dents in it, but it's minor. I don't think you'll really even be able to tell once it's with some more decor. But there's the inside. Get that glare off of it. So yeah, I think this will look gorgeous in a Christmas display with something added in it. You could put wrapped candies in it. You could put florals in it, poinsettias. You could put presents in it. You could even put Santa Claus in it. Another man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these men this year in my Thriftmas. But guys, that's what I have for you today. The tablecloth and the sleigh. I hope you're enjoying this Thriftmas in July. And of course, thank you Tracey Ann for hosting. I will link Tracey Ann's channel below as well as the playlist so you guys can see what all the other creators have come up with for the Thriftmas in July. That is so hard for me to say for some reason. I would love it if you would comment below. Let me know what you think about these items. Also, like my video, it really helps my channel grow. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of all my upcoming videos. Until next week, guys, I wish you happy thrifting. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.